Hey everyone, Ozzy here. Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be building my FX3 Cineback rig build. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, please make sure you leave a thumbs up, comment below what other videos you would like to see, share with your friends, and as always, subscribe for more videos like this. Alright, naked FX3. We're gonna start off by putting the cage. This is the small rig cage. I'm not gonna tighten it up yet, so it's still a bit loose until I put in the side ones here, as you guys can see. So if you watch other creators as well, this is probably the most popular cage. After this is I don't know where the other cage is from. I think it's from Ulanzi. I don't know where it's from, but this is the top cage for FX3 users. All right, so here we go. The cage is on. Now we're gonna put the top NATO rail, and this has an arrow that shows you that's the front. All right, here we go. Okay, here we go. Also, there's absolutely no battery in here, so there you go. Now for the fun part. This is the Cineback from FOUNDRY. It's nice. This is the back. Let's go. You do have to open it, and I like to open it like this. There you go. I'm gonna press and press again, and then it comes with these three. They are all the same size, so I'm gonna drop one in here. Also, I do have my NATO rail. Don't tie it up all the way. You start to screw, but don't tighten it up all the way. Let me see what's going on here. There you go. It's not tight yet, so it is still somewhat moving. We're gonna put it upside down. As you can see, the bottom part wasn't centered, so now we're just gonna center this. Push it back as far as you can to make sure it doesn't move mid-shoot. Here we go. Tighten the bottom up. Go back to the top. I'm gonna tighten the top up too. Here's the second one. Honestly, this is a beautiful rig. The Cineback looks dope. And why did I go with the Cineback? Because it has the D-taps. So this is where we are right now. My next step is this CONDOR blue dummy battery. People say to take the cage off, but for me, I don't think I'm going to, because I don't want to lose my door. Sorry, I don't want to lose my door. And one thing that I like about their doors, I mean the cage, is it keeps the door from just like flying all over the place. So now we're good there. And I don't like that it's like backwards like this. I wish the D-tap battery just like went in this way. So I don't know what they were thinking for them to make it upside down. I wonder if there's a way to just like flip it, but I'm not going to do that right now. So yes, you do this and boom. So this is what it looks like right now. All right, I put the NATO rail on, although I shouldn't have, so that you guys can see me put it on, but I'm not gonna take it off. It's just a NATO rail. So I'm gonna take my handle and just slide it on. I'm gonna center it, then tighten it up. Boom, just like that. Here's the back, the Cineback. That's what it looks like without the V-mount battery. Let's go with the monitor. I'm going with the SHIMBOL F5, which has so far been a very, very popular monitor for video creators, and it goes on just like that. Let me tighten this up. Ooh, just a little bit. Boom. I'm telling you guys, this is probably going to be the dopest Cineback build that you guys will see on YouTube, because some of the things I'm incorporating, a lot of people don't actually use. This is the best. I have this 3-way NPF dummy adapter that goes right back here. Boom. So this is what it looks like right now, as you guys can see. Okay, to power that, I have my D-tap power cord. I took my HDMI cord and wrapped it around the power cord. Now let's go back here. This goes here, this goes here. Boom. And this goes under, over. I'll take all this out and push this in first. So check this out. There we go. It sits right here perfectly. As you guys can see, I can close my door and I have a little bit of wiggle room. Then I'll take the rest from this side, tuck it under. Then I'll take this, tuck it under as well. Now here we go. Then comes the V-mount battery from MOMAN. This is a 70 watt. I do have the 99 watt. I actually have two 99 watts from Small Rig, but this just makes it look a bit more uniform and just like cleaner. This is what it looks like on this side. Clean look. Like I said, the door stays out the way. All right, now for the lens. This is the TAMRON 35 to 150. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, 35 to 150. One of my favorite lenses. Boom. Now this is what it looks like. I'm gonna take the HDMI cord and plug it into the HDMI port. Here is my DJI mic receiver. Plug it into the out, not the headphones. Make sure it's the out port and not the headphone port. Fit perfectly fine and keeps it from actually sliding back and forth because this wire is not, you know, loose. So yeah, and then I would have this here if I ever need. There's places to like magnetically attach it for it to face forward, as you guys can see, if I needed a mic. And the monitor is touchscreen. Yeah man, this is the rig here. Hope you guys like it. If you do, as always, like I said, leave a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and comment what other videos you guys would like to see. Hasta luego. I'll see you guys next time.